In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix HotDoc app not working. So if the HotDoc application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, there might be some problem with the application itself. In that case, try fixing the bugs by updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for HotDoc. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for HotDoc and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for update. What you have to do is tap on it. Now simply wait until the application is updated. Now after a while, you can see over here HotDoc application has been updated. Now all the bugs of the application should be fixed. Now you should be able to use the application. But if your app still does not work, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for HotDoc and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for storage and cache. What you have to do is tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this app will be cleared. Now your app should start working. But if your app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button, or if you're using the Android device, you can also scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on this icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, your app will surely work. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix HotDoc app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.